Good morning, students. Welcome to class 12 biology. In previous class, we have read about the ribonucleic acid RNA. Types of RNA, it is of two types: genetic RNA and non-genetic RNA. The RNA which act as genetic material is called genetic RNA, which is found in some plant viruses, and non-genetic RNA, it is found most of the eukaryotic cells, which is of three types: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. The messenger RNA, it is a ribonucleic acids which carries genetic information from DNA to ribosome during protein synthesis. All the genetic information of an organism is coded in the DNA molecules. DNA form its copy in the form of messenger RNA, which come out from nucleus to the cytoplasm, where it attaches with the ribosomes and help in the protein synthesis according to codon present in the DNA molecules. For this, Jacob and Monod 1961 named it as messenger RNA or mRNA. It is either found free in the cytoplasm or of the cells are associated with ribosomes. Messenger RNA is synthesized from the coding strand of DNA within nucleus, and its base sequence is complementary to coding strands of DNA. Only difference, the base uracil is present in place of base thymine of DNA. Therefore, messenger RNA contain the same genetic informations as coded in the part of DNA. Base sequence of messenger RNA in which information for the synthesis of protein are coded is called genetic code. Genetic code is formed of several codons. Each codon is a sequence of 3 nitrogenous bases which code for one amino acids. As each codon is formed of 3 nitrogenous bases, it is called as triplet code. It constitutes 3 to 5% of the total RNA content of the cell. Messenger RNA has molecular weight of about 5 log with a sedimentation coefficient of 8s. It is always single stranded and there is no base pairing. It is short lived as it wither away after a few translation. In bacterial cell, its lifespan is about 2 minutes, but in eukaryotes it is metabolically more stable and can function for a number of hours and even for days. Structural features of messenger RNA. Structurally, eukaryotic messenger RNA is composed of following structures: cap formed at 5' of messenger RNA, which is formed of methylated guanine. It helps the messenger RNA to bind with ribosome. Non-coding regions. Non-coding region. First, these follow the cap and consist of 10 to 100 nucleotides, in which adenine guanine is found in higher amount. There are no code for protein in these regions. Initiation codon. Which initiates the synthesis aiding of amino acids. It is situated after non-coding region first. It encodes methionine in all type of cells. Its codon is AUG, adenine, uracil and guanine bases. Coding region it lies just after the initiation codon. It is consists of 1500 nucleotides. It is responsible for translation of protein. In protein synthesis there are two processes, transcription and translation. Formation of messenger RNA from DNA is called transcription and formation of protein from messenger RNA is called translation. Termination codon the coding region is followed by a termination codon which stop translations or which stop the adding of amino acids. These codons may be UAA, uracils, adenine, or uracils, adenine, guanine, or uracil, guanine, adenine. Non-coding region second. This part of messenger RNA is composed of 50 to 150 nucleotides. It also does not have any code for protein synthesis. Polyase sequence. It is the last part of messenger RNA at the third terminal. It is a adenine rich. Therefore, it also called to be a polyadenylated sequence. Initially, it has 20 to 250 nucleotides, but the number of nucleotides decreased with the increasing age. Monocystronic and polycystronic are monocystronic and polycystronic RNA, messenger RNA, based on the number of genes from which an messenger RNA is formed and on the size of protein molecule synthesized. Two types of messenger RNA are known. First type of messenger RNA which is formed from a single cistron and which code or specify a single polypeptide chain is called monocystronic messenger RNA. Second type of messenger RNA consists of mini cistron and encoded several different polypeptide chains are called polycystronic messenger RNA. Cistron, recon, replicon, operon, these are the part of DNA or functional points of the DNA. Function of messenger RNA. Messenger RNA carries genetic information for the synthesis of polypeptide chain. This called protein. Protein is a polypeptide chains. DNA, RNA are polynucleotide chains. Messenger RNA acts as a template for the union of different amino acids for protein synthesis. Second type of non-genetic RNA is transfer RNA or tRNA. The transfer RNA is also called as soluble RNA or sRNA, since it is soluble in 1 1M NaCl and is the second most common RNA in the cell. It constitutes about 15% of total weight of RNA of the cell. The transfer RNA is a ribonucleic acid which transfer the activated amino acids to the ribosome to synthesize proteins. Transfer RNA is so small that it remains in the supernatant during centrifugation. It has a sedimentation coefficient of 3.8s. It has a molecular weight of 25,000 to 30,000 and is made up of 73 to 93 nucleotides. Transfer RNA is synthesized in nucleus on a DNA template. It consists of a single polynucleotide chain or strand which is bent in the middle and looped about itself. A structure of transfer RNA. A structure of nucleotide sequence of transfer RNA was first worked out by Robert Hawley et al. 1965 for East alanine tRNA. He has been proposed cloverleaf model to explain the structure of transfer RNA. According to cloverleaf model, single polynucleotide chain of transfer RNA is folded upon itself to form 5 arms, in which one arm is longer and 4 other arms one arm is back side, 4 arms smaller and 1 longer arms. According to cloverleaf model, single polynucleotide chain of transfer RNA is folded upon itself to form 5 arms as a result of the folding of 3 end and 5 end of chain come near each other. An arm consists of a stem and a loop. 5 arms of transfer RNA are acceptor arm or amino acid attachment arm. This arm is without loop, hence called acceptor arm. This is acceptor arm. It consists of 7 base pairs and 4 unpaired nucleotide units. It contains 3 N terminal with CCA sequence, cytosine, adenine, and 5 terminal or end with C or G sequence. Amino acid molecules attached to the 3 N terminal of the CCA sequence. Second, D arm. It consists of 15 to 18 nucleotides with 3-4 base pair in the stem and 7-11 unpaired nucleotides in the loop. Loop of D arm is called loop IR, dihydrouridine DHU or D loop. It matches with the amino acid activating enzyme called synthetase, through which attachment of amino acid to transfer RNA take place. Anticodon arm or anticodon loop. It is also called as codon recognition arm. Consists of a stem of 5 base pairs and a loop called loop second or anticodon loop. The loop second consists of 7 unpaired base, of which the middle 3 form the anticodon. Post sequence is complementary with a codon or triplet in messenger RNA. Variable arm or loop. It is in back side. It is situated in between anticodon arm and T-C arm, also called loop third. It is of two kinds. In one type there is a loop containing 4-5 bases but no stem. In the other type, the arm consists of 13 to 21 residues and both the stem and loop can be distinct. And fifth is T-C arm. It is also known to be as ribosomal recognition arm or loop. This is it consists of a stem having 5 base pairs and a loop of 7 nucleotides. Stem loop. The outermost of 5 pair of stem is CG, cytosine, guanine. This loop contains a constant T-size C sequence. It has a ribosome recognition site on the T-size C loop consisting of a CT-size CR sequence. The Cloverleaf model of transfer RNA is two-dimensional model. In 1974, a three-dimensional model of tRNA was proposed by Cluck. It is L-shaped in structures, therefore it is called as L model of tRNA. Function of tRNA. tRNA play a key role in protein synthesis. It picks up a specific amino acid activated from the cytoplasm, carries it to the site of protein synthesis and attaches itself to ribosomes in accordance with the sequence specified by messenger RNA, and finally it releases its amino acid to the polypeptide chain. In simple words, we can say that transfer RNA collects amino acid from the cytoplasm and carries them to the ribosomes. Ribosomal RNA or rRNA. Ribosomal RNA is a ribonucleic acid present in the ribosomes and called ribosomal RNA. It is insoluble and is constitute about 80% of cellular RNA. Ribosomal RNA is formed of a single strand. Each strand of ribosomal RNA is formed of many nucleotide units. Each nucleotide of ribosomal RNA is composed of a nitrogenous base, a ribose sugar, and a phosphate molecule. Nitrogenous bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. In some region, the single strand is twisted upon itself to form a double helix. The helical regions are joined by intervening single-stranded regions. In helical regions, most of base pairs are complementary and are joined by hydrogen bonds. In the unfolded single-strand regions, base pair are not complementary. Because of this nature in the ribosomal RNA, the purines and pyrimidines have no equality. Ribosomal RNA is also synthesized in the nucleus. DNA associated with the nucleolus is responsible for coding of ribosomal RNA. This part of DNA is known as nucleolar organizer region. On the basis of their sedimentation coefficients, ribosomal RNA are of many types, like the 80 years, 23 years, 18 years, 16 years, 8 years, 6 years, yeah, actually 5.8 years and 5.5 years ribosomal RNA. Yes is the sedimentation coefficients of these 28 years ribosomal RNA, 18 years ribosomal RNA, 5.8 years rRNA and 5.5 years rRNA are found in eukaryotic cells, whereas 23 years, 16 years and 5 years ribosomal RNA are restricted in the prokaryotic cells. In eukaryotes, the larger 60S ribosomal subunit contain 20S rRNA, 5.8S RNA and 5.5 RNA, whereas a small unit 40S of ribosome contain only 18S ribosomal RNA. In prokaryotes, the larger 50S ribosomal. In prokaryotes, 70S type of ribosomes are found, in which two subunits 50S and 30S are found. In 80S ribosomes, two subunits 60S and 40S are found. In prokaryote, the larger 50S ribosomal subunit contain 23S ribosomal RNA and 5S ribosomal RNA. A smaller subunit 30S contain only 16S ribosomal RNA. Functions of ribosomal RNA: it brings about correct orientation of messenger RNA and transfer RNA in ribosomes. It involves the formation of ribosomes. DNA packaging. We know that DNA is found on chromosomes. Each chromosome is composed of DNA, protein and RNA. DNA is packaged within chromosome. DNA and proteins are packed in chromosomes and form a nucleosome. Nucleosomes model of chromosome explain the packaging of DNA. There are two models to show the packaging of DNA. Nucleosome model. This model was proposed by Kornberg and Thomas in 1974 to explain the structure of chromatin fibers. This has been widely accepted all over the world. According to this model, chromatin is composed of a repeating unit called nucleosome. Important protein of this model are important points of this model are chromatin fibers of a chromosome is made up of DNA and histone proteins. The repeating unit of chromatin is called nucleosome. It is a disc-like structure, 11 nanometer in diameter and 6 nanometer in height. Core of a nucleosome is made up of an octamer of protein, means add molecules of proteins around which chromatin threads are twisted having two molecules of each protein, histone, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. These are a form of histone proteins. Around this octamer, a DNA segment having the length of 200 base pair is bound around, making 1 and 3/4 turn. This segment of DNA in chromatin fiber is nuclease resistance, means nuclease enzymes cannot dissolve it. The structure of nucleosome is invariable in all the eukaryotes. Piotr et al. 1975 worked extensively on the structure of nucleosome and proposed that the length of DNA segment in the core of nucleosome is 146 base pairs. Two nucleosome units are joined with a segment of DNA which is called linker DNA. It consists of 50 to 70 base pairs. H1 histone is associated with linker DNA which make a connection between two adjacent nucleosomes. The nucleosome model explains the string on beads concept of chromatin. Like in a bead, string और एक धागे में माला के दाना जैसे पिरोए होते हैं. This is string of bead model. This is just opposite to the concept of beads on strings, explaining the interrelationship of genes and chromosomes. Other model is solenoid model. Around Klung 1977 to 80 made further electron microscopic studies of chromosome and chromatin and proposed solenoid model of nucleosomes. This model describes the dense compaction of DNA in chromosomal chromatids. It further illustrates that chromatin fibers tightly coil in a chromosome and form lump-like structures. The average diameter of this chromatin hump is 300 angstrom, in which several nucleosomes of 100 angstrom diameters are found. As has been mentioned earlier, each nucleosome is made up of protein octamer, around which DNA segment of 200 base pairs are bound, forming a 1 and 3/4 turn. Through the process of supercoiling, such nucleosome with the help of linker DNA easily form the solenoid-like structures. Genetic code. All the biochemical processes are completed by the mediation of enzymes. These enzymes are made up of proteins. Each protein is composed of at least 20 amino acids, whereas DNA is composed of only 4 nucleotides. 4 nitrogenous bases. DNA will determine the sequence of 20 amino acids. All the genetic information of the protein synthesis are coded in the nucleotide of GNA. These genetic information are called as codons. The sequence of nucleotides are nitrogenous bases in messenger RNA molecule, which encloses the information for protein synthesis is called as genetic code. As we have read that DNA is the genetic material of all the eukaryotic cells and most of prokaryotes, which transfer the genetic information of parent to their offsprings. But how they transfer these informations from one generation to others? By the synthesis of proteins. Proteins are the building block of organism, as well as proteins are the enzymes. The proteins are the structural as well as functional component of all the living beings. So by the formation of proteins, DNA of parents express itself in its offsprings. All the information of parents are coded in the form of codons, which is made up of nitrogenous bases. Several theories have been given to explain the mechanism by which a particular sequence of nitrogen base in DNA, by transcribing complementary bases in messenger RNA, determine the position of specific amino acids in the protein molecule. Each proteins contain at least 20 amino acids. Sequence of these amino acids determine the type of proteins, but every protein contains at least 20 amino acids, which may be more than 20 but not less than 20. Only 4 bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymines, are responsible for coding of 20 amino acids. The theory which is widely accepted was proposed by H.F.C. Crick. This theory holds the existence of a genetic code, and its smallest unit, which code for amino acid, is called codon. On the basis of above explanations, Nirenberg, Khorana and Hawley have discovered genetic codes. A codon can be defined as the nucleotide sequence in messenger RNA which code for a particular amino acids, whereas the genetic code is the sequence of nucleotides on or nitrogenous bases in messenger RNA molecule which encloses the information for protein synthesis. Main problem of genetic code was to determine the exact number of nucleotides in a codon which code for one amino acids. If these codons are found in singlet form, if there is singlet codons in messenger RNA, since there are only 4 nitrogen bases in messenger RNA, A, U, G, C, in place of thymine of DNA, there is uracil in RNA, adenine, uracil, guanine and cytosines for 20 amino acids. A combination of only 1 or 2 nitrogen bases cannot provide sufficient code word for 20 amino acids. Therefore, the nucleotide to act as genetic code must act in multiple units. Only 4 amino acids can synthesize only 4 amino acids, which is not sufficient for protein synthesis. If they are in doublet form or doublet codon, when 2 nitrogen bases together form an amino acid, then 4 and only 16 codons they may provide, which code for 16 amino acids. That is also not sufficient for 20 amino acids. Triplet codon is 4 nitrogen bases, 4 into 4 into 4, 64, which is more than the sufficient for, according to Gameau 1954, 3 nitrogen bases of messenger RNA together form a codon. It is called triplet codon. If the nitrogen bases are then assumed to be arranged in unit of 3, the possible trinucleotide combinations or triplets will be 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 64. These 64 codons are more than sufficient for 20 amino acids. The 64 possible triplets appear to many for 20 amino acids. Overlapping triplets have been suggested to cut down the number of possible nucleotides to somewhere about 20.